It is getting to be in that time of year again, isn't it? And I'll tell you what, I'm going to have to start paying more attention. Things like that, made me kind of take a second look. Well, how are y'all doing this evening? Man, this has been a Monday for sure. Not a good one. But the heart's still ticking and I'm still kicking. So we gonna do what we can do before we can't do it anymore. Anyway, I am driving a Nissan Altima Coupe now because the other car is in the shop. Test drove it for about a week, signed the papers on it. 2 days later, it goes in the shop. The good thing is, I've got a good car dealer. It's a small car lot, but they're honest and they're gonna take care of it. So, seems that it lost the PCM, the power control module. So they think it might be the computer. I don't know anything about any of that. And they're going to go ahead and fix that. While they fix that, they're going to go ahead and fix the brakes and the bearings, which I already knew that was going to be taking place. So, that's where we're at. It's not a bad looking little car. It's just, I actually kind of like it. But you know what is surprising is I drove a Volkswagen, not the Slug Bug, but a Volkswagen CC. It's kind of I guess the big cruiser type of Volkswagen. And out on the road, that thing got pretty good gas mileage, but driving around in town wasn't all that great. And I've noticed driving this thing around in town, we're talking 15 miles to the gallon. I really thought these cars got a lot better gas mileage. You know, I was all worried about the Infinity's gas mileage, you know, getting 16, 17 around town. But if that's the way these older cars are, yeah, you might as well go in luxury. So, I'm sure the newer cars get a whole lot better gas mileage, but the older ones, you know, they just not as good as what I thought they were. What kind of gas mileage, what do y'all drive, and what kind of gas mileage do y'all get? I'm just kind of curious. I didn't have a whole lot for today's video. The gas mileage was kind of, you know, I did the Get Upside app video yesterday, and I guess all these driving these cars has got my mind going on gas and gas consumption and stuff like that. So now I'm kind of curious as the older cars. Now I know if you're driving a 2015 probably or newer, you're probably going to get a lot better gas mileage. But if you're driving an older car, what do you drive? Well, I don't, you know, what are you driving? What kind of gas mileage you get? But tell me the year model of it. I'm just kind of curious. Because this thing, I think it said a 2 point, y'all probably have to correct me. I think it said a 2.5. And that Volkswagen I drove last night said 2.2T. So my understanding is that's a turbo. It did pretty good for a little four-cylinder as far as power goes. I was actually impressed. This thing's kind of peppy, but it's a little car. So anyway, I'm going to try to make $1 and howl at the moon. It's going to be a full moon tonight. Got a cold front coming. I think it's supposed to be in the 50s at night for the rest of the week. Man, this is camping weather deluxe. And here I am having to work. Man, no rest for the weary. Hey, y'all keep on smiling, dashing, dancing, prancing, doing whatever it is you want to do. Just make sure you keep doing something, because you're going to grow old like me if you don't. Okay, I'm not that old, but I'm also still on the move. Because I don't want to grow. What's that old commercial? I don't want to grow up. Wasn't that a cereal or something? I don't even remember. Anyway, y'all be nice to one another, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.